The ZDF speak. Panguva inoitona kuti the Air Force of Zimbabwe panguva ino ichitaura pamusoro the aircraft crash yakaitika kaklema the life inexperienced pilot. Chitiko chavhundutsa vanhu pamusoro pemapower plays nembat engines ari kuitika munyika yeZimbabwe, especially pavanhu vari linked issues politics and succession. Subscribe like on the bell. ZDF inobuda nyora achiti a dark cloud has engulfed the Zimbabwe Defense Forces family after an Air Force of Zimbabwe AFZ F7 fighter aircraft crashed in the Wajiri general area along Virumbuma Road. As a result of the crash, the pilot squadron leader, retired Vuyon Move, lost his life. The aircraft was on a routine sortie. Squadron leader Move, yet passion for flying and dedication to serve his nation made him decide to rejoin the Air Force of Zimbabwe from retirement. At the time of his passing, he was one of the experienced pilots training young fighter pilots at Josiah Tungamirai Air Force Base. In his message after the accident, Commander Zimbabwe Defense Forces General Philip Valerio Spanda said, "The Zimbabwe Defense Forces have learned with a heavy heart with the passing of a proficient and highly experienced pilot, squadron leader, moving after an aircraft accident. Right now, our thoughts and prayers are with the family of the deceased pilot. I want to extend my deepest condolences to the family and the friends of the deceased in this sad loss. In the meantime, investigations are underway to establish the causes of the accident." Tomashkwana buda nyuko panguva ino this statement rabo kuna rubutu nokomana with the ZDF. Mashoko rubuda panguva ino anokonzi anosirisa. Panguva kuri kunokonzi ingwa yezvigananda. Ingwa iri kunokonzi ingwa succession. Ingwa iri kunokonzi people that are already struggling. And now with ZDF kuchitika mascandals akadai vanhu vari kuva vachiclaim accountability. Tikuona vana bomushogeza vanotorawo nhau dzekuti mari dzinofanira dzinge dzichienda kune mauto dzichitarisa welfare yavo pamwe chete nekuadvanza the equipment, military equipment dzese dziri kurwa nezvigananda. Inhau yazvinokonzi each and every sector tichiona mafighter jets achidonha kudai vinyasoratidza kuti kuri kuleka service. Mbodzi mafungiro enyu motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.